Hey guys, welcome. So today will be a video on how to mix lacquer. This will be kind of more for beginners. So I'm going to provide a setup of a spray gun HVLP that I use. Also how to mix lacquer, the correct ratio of lacquer thinner to lacquer that I use, and some bits of equipment that I also use when I mix. So I'll leave time codes so that you guys can follow along or skip to whatever part that you guys would like for the information that you need right now. So let's get to it. Okay guys, for this finish here we'll be using lacquer. So I'll have this lacquer linked in the description below. I really enjoy using this lacquer. It's by far the best I've worked with. So you'll need lacquer, you'll need lacquer thinner, you'll need a ratio cup. So it's going to have your different ratios on the back of here. And finally, you're going to need a filter to filter the lacquer. Your lacquer thinner, you never need a filter because it's always clean and pure. Also, to be applying this lacquer, I'll be using HVLP. So it'll be a spray gun. Now, this is by far the cheapest, and probably for beginners, this is probably going to be the best way to get yourself into HVLP. So this gun, 11 bucks from Harbor Freight. Works great. You're going to want an air regulator on here. It's like 4 bucks from Harbor Freight, as well as a moisture remover from your air right here. And that's also like 3 or 4 bucks. So this whole setup probably costs around 20 bucks or so, and you'll have an HVLP setup. So whenever it's around Black Friday or whenever you can find a good deal on an air compressor, I'm using a 6-gallon one, which is probably going to be about the minimum you want to go. Don't go below a 6-gallon compressor. Anything above that, you find a good deal on it, get that, and you'll have your HVLP setup ready to go. So after mixing this all up, the ratio I'm going to be using, and you can experiment whether your lacquer is different or not, what brand of lacquer you use. I'm going to be using a 5-to-1 ratio. So that's 5 parts lacquer to 1 part lacquer thinner. So I'll just go to my 5-to-1 mark right here. Do the correct ratios as well. If you guys don't know how to do that, look up a video, or I can make a video if you guys need a video on how to read these markings here. So we're going to measure out a 5-to-1 ratio, and then we'll get ready to start spraying. Also guys, this is probably where you're going to want to start filtering. So you're going to put your filter in there, and you're going to pour, obviously, in the filter. So once I got my lacquer measured out, I'm going to start pouring my lacquer thinner in there next. Now this lacquer thinner dries up pretty easily, so if you happen to spill a little bit like I did here, it's okay because it dries up real quick. Doesn't really harm anything. The only thing it's probably going to harm is your wallet, because I probably spilled about $50 worth of lacquer thinner because of how expensive it is now. So because you filtered it now, you don't have to filter it again before you put it in the gun. Just up to personal preference. I'm not, because I already filtered it in my little cup here. So I'll just mix this up here, and then I'll pour it in my gun, and then we'll get ready to start spraying. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of a shorter format video. Wanted to pack it full of information, hopefully for beginners to learn as well as anybody else. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like, please subscribe and leave a like, and comment down below what you guys mix for your lacquer ratios and what setups you guys use to help other people in the comments section kind of see what people like enjoying the most. This is just kind of what I found has worked for me in my climate and what I've experienced. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.